Hi Leo, welcome to Omkara Tarot and for your weekly reading of you and yours for the 25th to the 31st of May. These are energy readings, Leo, so don't get fixated on the dates. Dates are just for us, to know when to upload them. Time is fluid, which means these are energies around you. You could have just experienced this, or you could be going through this, or will experience this in your immediate future. Also know these are general energies, so cannot resonate with each and every one of you out there. But if you do want a one-on-one, you can always reach me. So let's see what we have for you today, Leo. So I'm going to be setting out two sets of cards, one for you and one for your person. Leo, these are not love readings, not designed to be love readings. So these are basically anyone who's in your energy zone right now, which is affecting you or uppermost on your mind. Could be your neighbor, child, husband, boss, wife, anyone, whoever's affecting your energy at this point, and what you need to do to handle that. Of course, a love interest could show up here as well, right? But I will be taking out specific love readings as well soon, which will be only for you and your love interest. So look out for them and subscribe. You'll be notified as soon as they're uploaded. So, opening your cards now. One side, person A. This could be you, Leo, or could be your other person. So once I open the cards and read them, you'll have to see which side you resonate more with. So the first card I had here was the Ace of Pentacles and then the Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful. The World. The Star. What's happening, Leo? Oh, wow. Okay. The Chariot in reverse and the Lovers. Beautiful. Okay, so person B. Person B has the Knight of Cups in reverse, the Three of Cups in reverse, Eight of Pentacles, Temperance in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, and the Seven of Wands. Mutual energy, Tower, Three of Swords, and the Two of Wands in reverse. Let's start your reading, Leo. Let's see what's happening in this very confusing energy here. Two people who seem to be on different pages. Two of Wands. Somebody's looking out to see what else is out there. This card just flew out. I didn't even ask a question, but I'm sure it needs to say something. So this person who's wanting a fresh new beginning, fresh new start, is looking out at the horizon to see what is out there and what newness can I bring into my life. Is hoping for a change in their destiny, their life. They want the old cycles to finish so that they can start a fresh new cycle, and they're looking for wish fulfillment with person B, it seems. They're not sharing much right now. They're not sharing their feelings. This is all going on in their own brain. Okay? They're in contemplation mode. Person A is in contemplation mode, thinking of how I can have a fresh new start, how I can turn the wheel in my, oh my God. Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Somebody is really trying to end an old cycle and start something fresh with this Queen of Wands. A Queen of Wands, this is a dynamic, beautiful queen who is a go-getter, who's beautiful, who's the life of wherever she, if she's in a room, all eyes are on her. So this person is really wanting a fresh new beginning with this person and wanting, to let go of all the sadness they felt, and maybe in the past they felt defeated at something, maybe in a past relationship, and since then they've been holding, once the cycle, they're ending a cycle, or they are trying to end a cycle, and they've kept their emotions and their life has been stagnant and they've just been sitting with themselves. But now they are looking forward to a fresh new beginning, fresh new start. And they see this Queen of Wands probably as their, as a star. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles, this Queen of Wands is in a in the public eye somewhere. Okay, they find her really alluring. They feel that she could be the one, and they want to offer some kind of commitment to her. So, but we also have here the Chariot in reverse. Okay, so I want to see what that is. They want to come out of this, holding back and thinking mode. I don't think they've proposed yet, or they haven't let this person know yet whether, the other person is interested. And they've been holding back. The Chariot is in reverse as well. They haven't mentioned or offered this person anything yet, even though they see the potential of how that, they can have a nice romantic new beginning with this person. Spirit, please give us a card for the lovers. Please give us a card for the lovers in person A's. Too many cards. Please give us one card for the lovers in person A's position. Yes, they see this person as having so much potential. Okay, this is the Lovers card, and this is the 10 of Cups. They see huge potential in this Queen of Wands, who they want to go forward to. Anything else, Spirit, for person A? From what I can see, and a quick look at the other side as well, I don't think they have mentioned this yet. They've just been thinking. They've been wishing and hoping. It's almost like a secret admirer. I think that's what I'm going to call this reading. You haven't told this other person. You just want to come out of this old cycle that you've been in, where somebody has been hurtful and mean to you, and maybe a relationship which fell apart. You no longer want to look back into whatever you've lost, and you want a rebirth of your life. You want a rebirth of your life with this new person who you see as a shining star, who seems compassionate, loving, and you want a fresh new beginning with. So let's see what the other side has for us. What is the other person feeling this week for you? The other person finds you to be a nice, happy person. They enjoy spending time with you, but I don't think they are really interested in receiving a love offer. Okay, they may enjoy your company. They don't seem to be wanting to make any decision regarding this. They don't see any kind of. I don't think they're interested in anybody right now. They're not looking to join up with anyone. They see you probably as a good friend who brings a lot of happiness and laughter and fun into their lives. But as a romantic partner, I see that they have the Knight of Cups in reverse, and also the Three of Cups of getting together in reverse, and they're not making a decision regarding that. I see them concentrating fully on their own life, keeping all their love. I think they're in self-nurturing mode. They're keeping all the love and affection that they have in their heart for themselves. They're keeping all their emotions secret right now. And maybe they're at a phase in their life where they're working on themselves, by themselves, alone. Because they feel in the past they've never got this, balanced relationship, and they're a bit fearful of it. Yes, they don't seem to be accepting any offer. Leo, if this is you, you're spending your time by yourself, you are not wanting to see the love being offered to you, or maybe your other person is not. All the time is going in self-nurturing, bringing balance back into your own life, putting in the hard work to bring stability back into your life, not wanting to make any decision. And also, right now they have probably a lot of options in front of them. Person B has a lot of options in front of them, and they are trying to see which is the one which can bring them the maximum happiness. And till then, they are being very defensive and not allowing anyone to come into their zone. It's not personal, I think. they're very conflicted in their own mind. And yes, five of wands is also a card of competition. Okay, so maybe there are a lot of people competing for their attention, which is leading them to feel a little confused, and they are not wanting to move ahead with anyone. They want to be in their hanged man place where they are taking time out, trying to view everything from a different perspective, maybe because they've been hurt in the past. So please don't take it personally, Leo, if this is the person you are in love with and they're not accepting any offers. And if Leo, this is you, I think you're doing the right thing. First is, self-care. Okay, maybe this person on side B has had some episodes with people who promised more than they would deliver, and now is a bit scared to accept any offers and wants to take things very, very slow. Doesn't want to rush into anything at this present time. Anything else, Spirit, for side B, person B? Anything else? What is the Seven of Wands? Why are they being defensive and warding off all kinds of people who are coming towards them, it seems? They're not clear. Yes, they don't want to rush into anything, something like the Knight of Wands who comes in, but this is, of course, the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is even quicker. This is an energy which comes quickly into your life and leaves. Okay, so they are scared that maybe this is going to be another offer which is going to be similar. Person A may come rushing in, offer them all these goodies and then leave as quickly and, just take from them. They're scared there will not be equal give and take. Maybe they've experienced this kind of relationships in the past and they're scared that this may turn out to be the same way too. And they're scared of that and they're just keeping themselves to themselves. And maybe they want to be friends with you, it seems. And I think that's the right move as well. Right? So please try and become confidants, become friends, and slowly see where this can lead to. That's what they want to do. That's in their heart space. But they want to first be friends with the person. So let's see what your mutual energies are this week. Leo, both of you see something is happening in your life where there's been a sudden change. A sudden change is coming where you both feel the effects of that. There's a tower moment coming. It's sudden, it's shocking, and it's leading to a feeling of heartbreak. Heartbreak is at the center. So is it possible that person B chooses someone else or refuses you? Or maybe somebody tells the other person that no, I'm not in the space to offer you love, and that's going to lead to a tower moment in your energies. Yes, somebody seems to want to walk away, and they've used your intuition. And they are keeping quiet. They're not letting you know anything. I also have the Two of Wands in reverse, which means no forward movement. There's going to be some radical change in this, Leo. What is this Two of Wands in reverse, Spirit, for Leo this week? No growth of this relationship. You're finally coming to realize that, both of you are not on the same page. You both don't want the same thing as the other person, which is going to probably lead in a bit of heartbreak when you realize that, there is going to be no growth, no long-term potential in this dynamic for you. I'm sorry, Leo. I have to read the cards as they come. I don't want to sugarcoat anything. When you come for readings, you're looking for clarity, and that's what I'm here to give you. So let's take a blessing from the angels. Let's see how they can help or how they can bless Leo this week. The card I have for you, Leo, Health. Look after your health. Look after your own self. There's nothing if you can't, just like how person B is doing, going into self-preservation. I think don't get stressed out if this person is refusing you or you're refusing the other person. Maybe somebody better is going to come your way. So don't worry about that. It's nothing to do with you. That's what I feel here. Each one is going through their own thing, and person B has gone through a lot of heartbreak. They're not even looking at you as you're the cause. They are going through their own recovery period of maybe some past relationship. So it's time for you to take care of your health now, Leo, or the cross watcher. I'm going to take one more card for you, Leo. Forgiveness, right? You have to come to this place where you forgive yourself and the other, because you cannot force another person or even yourself, right? If you wanted the other person is not on the same page, you cannot blame the other person. You cannot force love, and you can't be very hard on yourself either for trying. What relationship is meant to be will be, what is not meant to be doesn't come about. So it's no reflection on how you are. I'm sure you are the most wonderful person, and somebody else is going to be very, very lucky to have you. But maybe this not this particular relationship. So take care, chill, look after your health, subscribe, and let's meet next week again to see what new energies are flowing towards you. You take care, love and light.